The College Hill Learning Garden is a learning and demonstration garden located in Bernal Heights of San Francisco.
This space is PUC land, and it is a demonstration and teaching garden that we use to offer free field trips to SFUSD schools and other schools and community groups and community partners in San Francisco. And we teach them essentially about water, power, sewer, where our utilities come from. We try to connect the dots about our land and how to steward it.
I love connecting with youth of different ages and cultivating their relationship to land. And that looks like fostering that relationship with the resources like our water, our plants, our soils, so they can learn to be good stewards in the future.
I love seeing students connect all of these dots and seeing students make the connection between the place that they live and where their food comes from, where their water comes from, where their waste goes, and kind of getting that whole picture. And I love seeing those kind of aha moments with kids out here.
We are very adaptive and flexible. We like to meet our students and teachers where they're at. We offer field trips in the English and Spanish languages, and we're always willing to meet and plan ahead for your student success. I just want to welcome folks to visit the College Hill Learning Garden and plan a field trip on our webpage. You can always make a reservation during the school year or during the summer.